for today we are doing a get ready with me glam for the weekend, back in the regular routine because I just got back from my vacation and y'all, my hair was a mess, honey. Dang, I look dark on camera. But I'm about to do a little unboxing. This hair is from ISEE hair. I don't know if you can see. Okay. This packaging is cute from ISEE hair. I love the pink. 100% human hair. See your beauty. We love a quotable brand. So I should be getting I'm gonna be getting a closure, and I got Brazilian body wave hair. I got 3 26 inches. This is how the hair comes. This is beautiful. This hair is gorgeous. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, this hair is bomb. So I got 3 26. Yeah, 3 26. And then, oh, they have lashes. Of course, we have to have our lashes. And then I got a cute closure. I'm so excited. Y'all, I be needing a break from laces because, ooh, child. They be itching. Ooh, this is the free prior closure. But yeah, it's pretty. It feels good. This hair is beautiful and bouncy. Oh my god, yes. I'm so excited. I haven't had Brazilian body wave in forever, but this hair is pretty. So I'm about to get this installed right now. Like I said, I got 3 bundles of 26 and then a closure. And the closure is, I believe the closure is 20 inches. But yeah, this hair is from ISEE hair. This is their Instagram, so go follow them. But obviously I'll be posting pictures, so they'll be tagged in my post. So yeah, and then, oh, they give you hair care tips. I love when companies do this because sometimes some people are not knowledgeable of how to keep their hair. So I love a company that really cares about their customers and the quality of their hair, so they don't got to keep rebuying hair, you know. And they know how to keep up with it. So we love that. Oh, I can't wait to get my hair done. Y'all, I love getting my hair done. It's so therapeutic. But yeah, let's get it cracking. So I will see y'all once my hair is installed and we are getting ready for the night. Because tomorrow I'm going to Chicago because it's Jasmine's one of her best friend's birthday. So we about to get lit in the shy, and I had to get my hair right. So I'm so excited. So yeah, I will see y'all when I'm about to get ready and my hair is together. Look, so this is basically how I want it, just like I want it to hold. So I'm gonna be putting this hold spray, but I'm gonna wait till after. So I'm just literally just gonna twist this like a little cute girl ponytail. And this is all what he did last night, like when I was going home. Just so cute. Little twist. And I go high when I do the front because I want it to be like wavy, like by my eye and not straight. And I don't know if you can tell, but this is a closure. I already told y'all. But it looks like a lace. It's super, super, super big. Like, my stylist was like shook about it. He was like, wow, they snapped with this closure. I was like, what? He was like, yeah, it looked like a lace front. And I was like, what? Yeah, but it's pretty big. It's pretty natural. I love it. It's probably one of the best closures I ever had, honestly. Twisted. Well, my twists are in, and just squeeze these. So this is just gonna like mold it into how I want it. So I start getting ready for tonight. Y'all are gonna see the outcome. Wait, a little more. But you don't want it to be all soaking. You just want it to be like damp. Super cute. They're gonna be beat once I take them out. So all right, and I will see y'all when we do the final look. Okay, y'all, I'm just finishing up, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch me get ready. Transform. Me way back when D-Lo had the spot and trusted you. The new foundation, the NARS Radiant in Candice. Let me know down below if you ever tried the NARS Natural Radiant. I'm pretty sure you have. It's been over every fucking way. Flawless finish, flawless, definitely. I'm definitely feeling it. these are definitely my new favorite lashes. I got IT whitener. So now I'm just about to, you know, get jazzy. My lip. Okay, y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And this hair turned out bomb. I love it. It's giving me the Kim K vibes that I wanted to go for. So everything about this hair will be in the description box below. I love you so much, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye.